Hi everyone, Sean Kurzlak here at our gallery here in North Pole, Alaska. We got a couple new prints in, a couple new canvases that we got in from Gil. It's a couple there, and here's one. I'm just going to do a unboxing for you guys and show you what we've got. And, thanks Gil. This is where we get our canvases made. Absolutely hands down, best canvases I've ever seen, and that's why we use them. All right. This one here is of a beautiful aurora corona that I captured back in 2015. It's the same image that's on the metal print behind me, but this one's on a framed canvas, and absolutely gorgeous. Well, there it is. I'll be getting this hung up on the wall here in our gallery. It'll be for sale if anyone's interested in it. And of course, if you're local or visiting the area, go ahead and stop by our gallery. And if not, you can always order online or give us a call if you have any kind of special orders, or if you want this particular print, go ahead and contact us and we'd be happy to get it out to you.